So in the previous case, we have done in terms of individual alpha values. Now we are showing for the multiple alphas in the lasso function. So that is the thing. Okay. So these are being to be maintained, So that is been not shown. Import mjlearn plt is there and it is asking sir you are not plotted. You have plotted, no? Okay, it is asking training split. Okay. From sklearn dot model underscore selection import train underscore test underscore split. Some of them have gone. Undefined lasso. We have not defined lasso. So it is saying that. Okay. It is saying about we have not defined lasso. So we are going to define that now. That is import lasso from SQL linear model from sklearn dot linear underscore model. It is asking that for your sklearn in terms of ridge also. Sklearn dot linear underscore model import ridge. So ridge is being imported and it is asking the ridge formula also. It's showing red now, so you'll be not getting that. So that's why I'm writing. Ridge in terms of 0, 1, it is asking. Ridge 0, 1 equal to ridge of alpha equal to 0.1 dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. Right, some of the things are been in undefined 0, 1 now. 0, 1. So then we have to define that also. Lasso 001, same thing from here onwards with a small change, 0.01. Now what is the thing that undefined lasso? Boom. Sometimes you may get these many laws, clause lasso equal to lasso dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. See, all are eliminated. We imported the lasso, no? Redefinition of unused lasso. Oh, we have been using that, don't worry. Okay, two times we have been written. So that's what it is asking those many times. Now you got. So this is a program. So where we are been doing for usage of strain and split operation for lasso using the function of lasso and ridge for the boost and dataset. We have divided the data in terms of train and test split of random state 0, and we have changed the alpha values of iterations of 0.001 with alpha value 0.001 with maximum iteration alpha value 0.1. Okay, these are the lasso of three types. Alpha value is 1 dot triple zero one dot double zero one. But Riz is having point 0.1. We have taken that and we are asking you to use this. Okay, so when we run the program, what is the intention of the result that we are going to get? So this is the output what we are going to get. That is when you are running for the boosted data set, it is able to give the training data with the test score, training score is 95 and the test score is 64% and total number of features that are extracted here is 96. And what are the lasso values you have maintained and the regression values you have maintained? That is 1 dot 001 dot 001 and alpha values of ridge is point 0.1. So all these things are being shown here. So to get the results. So this is the ridge regression. So these are the things about today. Tomorrow we are going to start with the support vector classifiers. Okay, linear logistic models. Now we will be going to implement by using the cancer dataset, breast cancer datasets. We are going to implement, and we are going to see all those results tomorrow. Okay, so that is the thing. So for today, we'll be stopping the class, right? So we'll run for you just like the previous what we have run for some other batch also. We'll run a Google form to you and you have to upload all these graphs. We will share this presentation to you in the group in future. So you have to run all these programs and then you have to upload the screens. Okay. Thank you all and we are sharing your attendance to your college.